Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Chrome and Acting Now. Go to Chrome, //flags or Settings Privacy and Security. Once there, search for Automatic Tab Discarding and set it to Disabled to stop Chrome from unloading tabs. You also install a reliable extension that prevents auto-reload or use DevTools Network Offline Mode to simulate no network. This helps you confirm behavior. This combination addresses automatic memory-based reloads and gives you tools to control reloads for testing and work sessions. Once the basic flags and an extension are in place, you refine settings so Chrome stops reloading pages unexpectedly. Check each extension's permissions and disable ones that auto-refresh tabs. You only keep extensions with clear, necessary access. Pin tabs you need to preserve, and, if using Chrome Enterprise, turn off tab freeze policies or adjust them to a longer timeout. Make sure the extension's whitelist/blacklist matches sites you want protected. These steps reduce reload triggers and keep your session stable while explaining why each change matters. You finish by testing and fixing any remaining reloads. Load several heavy pages, leave them idle, and verify they stay loaded. This confirms your changes worked. If reloads persist, clear cache and site data, reset Chrome, //flags to defaults and disable any extension that might conflict, then test again. If problems continue, create a fresh Chrome profile to isolate corrupted settings or profiles. This last step often reveals whether the issue is per profile. It's a quick way to diagnose and finalize a stable no-reload experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.